Chase Way.
Driver Squad, what's going on? YouTube viewers out there, what's going on? If you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button so you can be a part of this Driver Squad. Now, in today's video, we are going to be going over all my August pickups and my September pickups. So, if this is something that you want to watch, make sure you stay tuned. So, let's get into it, and I'm about to show y'all what I picked up. Alright, so first thing first, everybody give a huge shout out to Bashir. I'm on Instagram, Bashir Music. One mind in the universe. I forgot what it meant. One mind in the universe. All black t-shirt. Gold letter. I can't wait to wear this. I said I was gonna wear it when I went home, but I'm sorry. I gotta wait for the fall so I can throw a nice little flannel over it. But we're gonna just drop that right there. Then next, let's go back to August. Right before I went home, I got these. And just from the little B-roll, you already know what it is. I got the Flyknit. I got the Flyknit 3s. Hold on. Now, I remember when these, they were showcasing them at the Nike event in New York. Kai showed them, and Tony D 2 Wild showed them. And I was like, yeah, I'm getting my hands on those. So, once I come back from the storage or whatnot, these will probably be put in the personal collection. Do these come with an extra set laces? No, they do not. So, it's a Flyknit upper. Let y'all see it a little bit. It's a Flyknit upper. Real beautiful, as you can tell. Real beautiful. And it's not like no regular laces either. And as you can tell, it glow in the dark. I can't even, oh, wax laces. I was like, damn, what's the name of these laces? I can't even think of them. But them joints beautiful. Then next, and I got that in the size 8.5. Just in case y'all didn't know. And then week 1 of Supreme drop. I was able to cop some things, and luckily I was able to get one of the backpacks, and I was very, very happy to pick up one of these backpacks. I mean, it's like an outdoor. It's not no North Face, but it will do. And this will be my backpack. My backpack. I think this is going to become one of my traveling backpacks. Yeah, let me show you what it looks like on. We rock Dinos. We rock the boom. Yeah, that's pretty dope. How I look, mama? Cheese. Yeah, this pretty dope. How this look? How does it look? How does it look? Ooh. How does it look? How does it look? Ooh. How does it look? How does it look? Nah, but this motherfucker, we're gonna wear this all. We're gonna wear this the whole way through. I'm happy. Because I was able to get a few things. Then we got the little bouncy ball. A lot of people was able to get these. Let me take it out. The little bouncy ball joints, Supreme. So they give everybody like a free gift during week 1. And this time around, it was the little bouncy ball joints. You see? Here's the little bouncy ball joints. I got the mirror in the back so I can see myself on the cool. So we got 1 bouncy ball. And then you never can have too many Supreme stickers. Stickers. Then next we got the good stuff right here. We got the good shit right here. So let me flex this real quick. That's how we gonna hold it down in the back. So we was able to get the natural guts tea. Now I ain't gonna take it out, but I'm gonna show a picture of it look like. And that's what it look like. But this mug pretty beautiful. It says, let me see. It says smoke, exhaust, and then in the middle it say, let me see, can y'all see? It say Supreme. Let me get it. It say Supreme, then it say chemical, then it say guts, then it say shit, and then it say more shit. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I think y'all can see that. So we got that. And then I was able to get another tee, and I was able to get the cutout tee. So it's just nothing, it's just something like one of those Supreme tees, and it's like little sayings or whatnot. And I'm gonna show a picture right there what it look like. And it's mainly just nothing but cutouts basically. Little phrases or whatnot. And I got both of these in the size medium. So it will be on my Poshmark account right there at Chase Way. Or yeah, at Chase Way. And then for the big boy, I was able to get the scripted purple hoodie in the size medium. And this little joint right here, this mother beauty. So we gonna switch this around. Stay, but it's alright. That's gonna stay. You don't need to do too much. Then lastly, oh my bad, we got another little bouncy ball. So we got 2 bouncy balls. And then this one I was surprised about right here. We got regular smackler Supreme sticker. And then we was able to get the Madonna. Oh. Then we was able to get the Madonna tee. I mean, not Madonna tee. I didn't get the Madonna tee, but I was able to get the sticker, and that's all that matters. And we got this on the back, and I don't think I'm gonna peel this off. Even though she did a bad job for Aretha Franklin, I ain't gonna kill her though. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep that sticker. Then we also got the let me not leave this out because I was going for this tea, but I couldn't get it though. It sold out too quick. The liquid tea. So I know I been watching some of y'all reviews. Majority of y'all got these stickers. But it's alright though. Keep that in the stash. You feel me? And then lastly, you know, gotta make sure I'm good on boxes or whatnot. And your boy copped some your boy copped some boxes so I can start sending people stuff out when they order. So I was able to order that from Uline, even though I'm not sponsored by none of that, but that's it. everything that I got. So let me take this off. Try to put this in the thumbnail somehow. Cause we gotta make all this stuff work, baby. Hold on a second. Alright, so this was all my pickles for August and September. I just want to say thank y'all for watching. This one, nothing like a too long video, but this my monthly pickles, my past 2 months, but I'm just gonna count it for September. And then we got some more pickles. I got some thrift items, and I think I'm gonna make a separate video on that, cause I don't know how long this video gonna be, and I don't want to bore y'all. I ain't trying to lose y'all following, so we gonna go on the road out here. I know y'all gotta get to y'all day. But this is what I picked up, so how about y'all enjoy y'all day? Y'all enjoy y'all day. Gotta get that out properly. Y'all enjoy y'all day, and I'll see y'all in another video. Chase Ray out. Peace.